We have here is a solar controller for LiFePO4 batteries, which we have here that it's a 100 amp hour. We're going to be hooking this up, show you how simple it is to do. These BMS LiFePO batteries, they will have a low voltage cutoff, protective circuitry from overheating, and more. Check online for further details about your product and size battery you are after. In this kit, we have hardware. It's protected, has a handle, an instruction guide, and information about LiFePO4 batteries. The product manual has a number of pages, how to help you hook up parallel, and series together. Determine where you're putting your leads. With the right bolt and ring, make sure they fit and make your connection. With the safety caps on each of the areas, this is your negative. With a lock washer, ring connector, tighten down your lug. Use a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and tighten down carefully. Repeat for the other side. If you're doing larger lugs back to back, that is where you use the larger bolt. You may read your voltage, change your battery type, and reconnect your lead. And take another reading, and we are good. The LiFePO4 battery. The unit can be run for many different needs. Mowers, lights, electricity, running a studio, being out on the boat, running a tiller, you name it. When you're ready to recharge up, if it's solar or a charger, you just simply hook it up, charge it, and off you go again. With cutoff circuitry built in BMS, you don't have to worry about overheating, overcharging, undercharging, etc., etc. This is my studio with the LiFePO4 battery. It runs my light, it runs my system, it takes care of my business. I hope you enjoy your LiFePO4 battery manual and information provided. Check online for further details about the sizes you are after. I hope you enjoy your LiFePO4 lithium battery.